quick video today for all of you getting your mowers and riding mowers out of the garage this spring and finding that we have issues. I'm going to go over some real basic stuff. So today we're going to be replacing the air filter on this. This is a Yard Machine 638 RL. It's made by MTD. They use the Powerbuilt Briggs & Stratton 17.5 horsepower engine. And I'm going to show you how to replace this. It's really simple, but if you do it wrong, you'll end up damaging your engine fairly quickly. And that's this. That is an air filter. It does have a little foam insert that goes in there as well before installing it. The first thing you need to know is this needs to be soaked in oil. This is going to pick up a lot of dust, and so you want to actually get this a little bit covered in oil before installing it. This you're going to leave dry. So let me get the camera over here and I'll show you just how easy it is to do this job. Right off the bat, you're going to have to just open up the engine. And on the left side of the engine, you're going to see this bulge right here. There's a lever right here you're going to pop up, and then you have to flip it back and roll it forward. Once you've got it rolled forward, you can pull out this. And there's our air filter. You can see that one is nasty. I mean, it is definitely done. The original here, it didn't have that foam insert. If yours comes with it, I definitely recommend using it. Now, if there's a bunch of trash, so a lot of times over the winter, if you look down in these holes in these areas here, they'll get a bunch of debris. Mice love to make their little homes inside of these things. So we don't want that to happen. So I would clean all that out. This one here is fairly clean, so we can move on to installing our new filter and then our pre-filter. All right, here's the new filter. I'm just going to slide that back into place. And then I've got this soaked with a little bit of oil. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but there it is. I'm going to lay that in there. Actually, I think it goes that way, right? And then I'll go ahead and push this forward. Here's where most people make a mistake. If I don't put this together right and this sits out a little bit, it's going to allow air to get sucked in through the side here, and that won't work. You'll end up ruining your engine while you're trying to fix it. So we'll slide that in and then snap that down. So you push in, fold that forward, snap it down, and that's all there is to it. How's that for a short video? If you haven't done this on your tractor or your riding mower and you have a Powerbuilt engine like this little 13 horsepower, these Briggs & Stratton engines are all very similar. Do this. Please do this. It'll help extend the life of your mower. And with the cost of mowers going through the roof, well, this is something you ought to do. Till next time, my friends, take care.